Don't put your finger in it.
You're going to contaminate the lava lamp.
We should do it to the 200.
200? All right.
Do it at your seat. And then I'll do it probably right here.
Okay. We all gonna do it.
Let's put
Okay.
in it.
Yeah.
Dr. Page says the 200.
Put that there.
All right.
Some for me.
Wait, we're gonna take turns. Hold on. Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah. Now y'all see the water sinking to the bottom under the oil?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Why are you rubbing your hand on your jacket? It is oil.
Ooh.
Not
And
from
you
grease
see the
it.
water
It's not water. Look at
sinking all the way to the bottom. All right.
that. Yay.
Oh, man, that's cool. So y'all see how those two substances just separated themselves?
Mm-hmm.
Because water and oil, they do not mix. So that,
They do not like each other.
exactly. Did you learn that in school or you already knew that?
Learn it right now.
Right. Oh, there you go. I like that page. All right. So add a few drops of food coloring, whatever color of your choice, to the water.
And
Stop. You can't put that on her towel. You just have to wait till we wash
under
your
the
hands.
sea.
Stop.
Okay, it's bubbling. It's doing something.
Which one is the oil one?